Okay, so we are learning about sin x right now, and the graph of sin x is basically has a maximum value of 1 and a minimum value of -1. Sir, what happened? I want to learn programming. Yeah, you can do that. If you have a computer, you can easily install the window like the programming language in it and you can code. But I don't have a computer. You don't have a computer. Are you saying this? Are you saying that you don't have this computer, this big computer? Phew. So you don't need that also. You can code just by using a mobile phone. As simple as it. Let's understand it.
Okay, now we are in the mobile system and we have to open the Play Store to install the app, which I think is quite obvious. So we have to search for SoloLearn. Okay, and now you have to click on the install button. Depending upon the internet speed, it will take the time. Not that much, but yeah, it's a small app also, so it will work fine. Okay, let it install. Okay, so now what we are going to do, okay, it's taking time. I'm going to play a game rather. Okay, once it is done, let's come back to that. So let's play a game. Is it done? It's done. So okay, so let's come back. Although it was a very good game. So oh, I died. Not I died, he died. Okay, so coming back to the app itself. Now it's the app. It's open up. Okay, now you have to open the app and you can create the new account. It will obviously take the Gmail accounts and by its default I have already logged in before, so I'm just taking the sign in option. Okay, so here's the sign in option. It will show you all your email IDs. I'm taking this email ID. Okay, and now I'm going to write the password for it. Okay, it's simple. You have to click the sign in. So it takes my name, otherwise you have to put your name. Okay, that's simple. And one more thing you have to notice here is that you can invite your friends if you wish to. If there are none, just leave it aside and press not now. Now it will show you new lessons and all those things. Click and yeah, this is my home page kind of thing, my dashboard kind of thing. So I'm learning Java right now. Okay, I already knew Java, so I started Java accordingly, and now I have completed some part of it. I just want to show you that this is the main part. Okay, here it will show you what to learn and all those things. Just click on anywhere and it will go out. Now see, there are so many languages available, isn't it? See this, there you have Java, you have C++, you have HTML, then you have the Python, JavaScript, okay, SQL, C#, I think so it is called, PHP, CSS, and Swift, and Ruby, jQuery. Okay, it's enormous. So I'm just leaving it aside. I was doing Java. In also they are giving you some basic things to know. Okay, like what are the algorithms, bubble sort, selection sort. I hope you have read it somewhere, these things, correct? So these things are also they have been providing. Okay, now you can also learn C language directly from this place also, because C# was mentioned, I think so. Machine learning, etc. ES6 is basically related to the JavaScript, I think so. So yeah, so these things you can learn about, and similarly the other Angular, and these are for basically JavaScript related things, so you can leave it aside. Suppose I just refresh it, Java I click on. Now because I was using the Java and I was already on basic concepts, see how beautifully they have programmed it. And now what you have to do is just I was completing these steps. Now I am at the strings. Now let me show you what's the major thing about it. So here is the code. You see this, you have the string, first name written, last name written, correct? So you have these things, correct? You can see this. Now just notice that if you want to just try it yourself, click on try it yourself. You don't have a computer, great, it's great you don't have a computer, because you are static then. Yeah, this is moving. You can just in your whatever you are moving outside, even you can do this. Now see this, you have the code, fine. Now you have the code. Now click on run. You can see the run at the top end corner, sorry, bottom end corner. Now you see, this is my name is David Williams. My name is not David Williams. My name is Jimmy Ahuja. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just adjust it. Now it seems like it is very small. Just you can do font size and you can increase the font size. Okay, I think it's fine now. And please don't complain it is small. We all are using WhatsApp and it is way more smaller than this one, isn't it? So you type your name. Okay, I type my name. I edit this place. I can edit the code. Okay, basically I know how this code works. I'm just replacing it. Okay, now click on the run button again. Now it will show you, I think so, if nothing is error, correct, Jimmy Ahuja. I hope you can see this. How cool is it, isn't it? It's the best and the easiest way to get it done. And see how easily the code can be run in your mobile system only. Now you can press this top arrow and it will save your code if you want to. If you don't want to save, just press don't save. Obviously you can share the code. If you want to share the code, just save it first and then share it and run it in the computer also. So you can use save and then type any name to it. Click on save and obviously now you can share it. Okay, I'm not using share it, I'm saying share that. So it's WhatsApp, LinkedIn, other things will come up. Isn't it great? Fine. So now we are coming back. I'm not going to share it right now. So what about text? Suppose this is the thing you wanted to learn, is string concatenation. It's done. Now you continue. Now they will ask you a question before you move ahead. So you can't move ahead unless you answer it correct. Okay. So which statement in regard to the character data type is true? K is a char. Char is used to store numeric values. No. Hello is a char. No, it is a string. So K is a char. I hope so it is correct. Let us check. It's unlocked. Check it. Great. It's correct. So now we can continue. And now the next chapter opens up, getting user input. And they will obviously use the system.in function, which I already know because I'm already a user of Java beforehand. But they are giving you so many details, you can see it. And similarly, they will move ahead. Okay, they will give you a question and then only you can go ahead. So this is not this like you cannot jump. They have logged it. So unless you complete a concept, you cannot jump to the next concept. So that's good because you don't want to learn a wrong thing before moving ahead. Correct. And moreover, if you, this is not it. Okay, this is not it. Listen very carefully. You see this, they have given some code challenges. You can start a challenge. You have your home. Now see this home, how beautifully designed it is. Now if you want to learn linked list, just click on linked list and it will show you what is a linked list and it will show you all the details of it. Correct. Now suppose you want to see a code or whatever. Okay. Now you can see this, they have provided the code also. Just scroll it down. Now you see they have provided the code for finding a factorial. They are providing it. Okay, that's the best thing you can find. You have the code, you can run it, although it's based on some other languages, but you will get the algorithm, isn't it? Now there's one more thing you can see it. This is the hash, this kind of thing, where every person who is great enough is posting his own codes written in different languages accordingly. They will be mentioned here. Okay, which language it is, CPP, web, or whatever, Python it is, Java, for suppose it is a Java. So see, import Java, so they are importing the file library basically. Now they are using this code. See, you can just run this code and see it. Okay, depending on the code it will take time because you are using a mobile and not a desktop, but that is not limiting you. Okay, this is just to help you start with the code. Okay, so it might take because the code is long. I am dynamic, I am true, I am dynamic. See, this is what the output is. Accordingly they have written it. Okay, fine. I hope you have got this. I hope this is fine. Now what you see next is the most best thing you will get. So these are different codes you will get from the users. These are the different like it is a forum, so you can see the question there and you can see different types of answers there. Now one more important thing I want to tell you. When you are on your home, you will notice that sometimes they will show you someone to follow. Now these people, they are from India because I am in India and it has already taken that into account. So now suppose I want to follow someone, suppose for an example, Tej Mittal. Now I can know about him. He has 9 skills. Great. He knows Java, he knows HTML. So much he has completed so far. You can see this. That's what it shows to other users also. So someone when does complete lots of things, you will obviously follow him because then you will able to ask him questions about these whatever problems you face in the coding part. Moreover, 4 codes he has submitted. So see, he has submitted 4 codes. He has a one post where he has told about what language is best for robotics. All his activity, see, he is like there is a person level 1, 5:2. They are running a challenge in Java right now. So how beautiful design this thing is, isn't it? So I hope you're getting my point. I'm not the creator of this app. I'm not even able to create one line of code. How can I create that? I'm just a user of this, and I found it, and I think that it will be useful for you also. Okay, so I hope that is helping you out start learning the coding part. So check out this app and get to start learning. Fine.
I hope you have understood this. Let's begin the journey of learning to code. Great. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.